Metaphysical Books, Part 4. Manual for Rebirthers by Leonard Orr.
This is the #1 book in the history of the planet for relieving trauma. I'm telling you, 90% of your trauma originated at birth. No matter what kind of traumatic experience you went through, I guarantee that the thought cause at the root of it that created that experience was first implanted in your consciousness during birth. I'm telling you. And this breathing technique that is described, and then also all of the things that will possibly come up through it and the ways to heal through it are all contained in this book. Now, this breathing technique is designed for relieving trauma. Now, there are a ton of other aspects of it. Leonard Orr has taught this since the 1960s, and he understands really the metaphysical benefits of this breathing technique. A lot of people have heard of Wim Hof. Wim Hof teaches this exact same breathing technique. Both men just, kind of stumbled upon this breathing one day, and Wim Hof has worked with scientists and doctors to help convey the physiological benefits of this. So he really teaches and focuses on the physiological benefits of it. So look to Wim Hof to find out all of the different ways that you can, heal different things and all type of stuff that you can do. He climbed Mount Everest with just a t-shirt and shorts from doing this breathing technique. But with Leonard Orr talks about the rebirthing process, the ability to release trauma through this breathing technique, because the breathing technique puts your body in such a deep state of relaxation. All of that tension and everything that you're harboring comes to the surface and is released and let go. So it's not like, a therapy session where you have to rehash over and over again. It's like taking out your trash. You don't go over to your trash can and just start digging through it, rummaging into it. Yeah, this 4-day-old banana peel. Yeah, I guess that's trash. This week-old apple core. Yeah, that's trash. This empty cereal box, should I keep it? There's a little maze on the back. But it's empty. No, that's something I need to let go of. It's trash. Nah, you just wrap that thing, tie it up, and toss it out. And this breathing technique helps you to do the same thing. You just wrap it up and toss it out. One time I did this, and I wept. Not cried, not sobbed. I wept for 4 hours straight. After that, for like 2-3 weeks straight, I was the lightest I ever felt. Still to this day, I have no clue what I wept over, but it helped relieve that and let it go.